Hello friends, my name is Josy. If you are new here, you are welcome to my channel. My shout out goes to all my new subscribers. Thank you for being part of my friends. On this channel, I talk about my student loan, cash staffing, budgeting. I do a lot about savings challenge. Currently, we are doing 100 envelope savings challenge. A lot. We're talking about it more and more every day. So if you are new here and you haven't clicked on the subscribe button, please go ahead and do so that you don't miss any of my video. I hope everybody is doing very well. Today's video, I'm going to cast off my sinking fan. So for those of you who are new, sinking fan is one of the envelopes that is my favorite. I love it so much because it has been saving me a lot. Yes, we have a large family, about 10 of us, so anytime we spend, it means we spending big. So future expenses that I don't want to be worried about it. I don't want to be stressed about it when it gets there. So sinking fund has been my funds that I know the stuff that they are coming. I know where to take that money from. So let's go ahead and do the savings. Of late, I changed my sinking fund a lot, and this is how it's looking. I have my dashboard over here to guide me to know which ones I'm doing. So I'll go ahead and take that one out. I have a lot of envelope, and I've been getting a lot of questions why I have a lot of sinking fund. We are a big family, but most times sinking funds envelopes are a lot for most people because you have a lot of stuff due the following year or coming up due. If you don't have a lot, if you don't know what to do choosing your sinking fund, the common one is Christmas. Everybody spends at Christmas time, so that would be the common one that you can set. Okay, so for birthday get $20 every paycheck. And I know I have my mom's birthday coming at the end of the month, and I have 2 more birthdays in September. Then I'm done for the year, I think. Okay, back to school is getting 20. Back to school for this year, I've spent it little by little, but not really a major shopping. Today will be the last day. I'm going to cross-check everything to see if they need anything. But normally, I buy stuff throughout the whole year when they are on sale, and I feel like they're going to need it for the school year. For Valentine is getting $5. This Valentine is pretty much for 2025. Family fund is getting 20. The summer is going, so I don't think we're going to spend in this envelope. Blessing is getting 20. My self-care, which is also one of my favorite. I can't wait to use it by the end of the year for myself. We work too hard not to spread ourselves also. So that's my envelope to take care of myself for working so hard throughout the whole year. For Christmas is getting 20. I already have some money saved for Christmas. So this one is kind of like finishing it up. Okay, for HMO is getting $40. And I think I need an envelope for Thanksgiving. For Thanksgiving, I'm using my monthly savings to do that. The savings challenge, I do it. The monthly one, that's what I'm using for sinking fund. So I don't have it here. Let's see. This is RS Lances. RS Lances is getting 20. Car maintenance is getting 20. House maintenance is getting 20. Car registration is getting 20. Leave is getting 15. Miscellaneous is getting 20. Then for these two, I'm not doing it today. I'm gonna do the kids one. So for my husband's envelope is getting $20. For mine is $20. $2 I mean. We're getting $2. For my mom is getting $6. Because I want to cover for my sister and the kids as well. Yes, it's getting $2. No, not $2. Everything is $2. Hope is $2. Then Junior is the last two. Okay, so that's all for the sinking fund. And just look how cute this wallet is. It's really, really full, but look at it. I'm loving it. Oh, I didn't put this. Let me see if I can. Oh, maybe I can do it like this. Yep. That's cool. Okay, so thank you for watching me today. I will see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye bye bye.